Yeah, so as me I say people, you don't know. You have a few people up on them roof as you can hear zinc. Who find out say this a part of zinc a leak, you try to change it and thing. But we having a bright after storm morning. Still have a little bleaky cloud, but sun is out and stuff. A little breeze and wind and blow, you know. Blessings, you know, to all who survive the storm, who don't end up with much damage, you know. And you know, sorry for the people that end up with them damage and stuff, you know. But where there is life, there is hope, you know. And better property and crops damage than loss of life. Because once you have life, you have hope. You understand? All you have to do. Behind life and hope, you have faith. You understand? The three things work, you know. You have to have life, you have hopes. But you have to have strong faith. Faith work. Because you will have the hope. Say, okay, tomorrow morning I wake up. This is going to happen and that is going to happen. And so you wake up tomorrow morning, nothing happen. You give in a life. So you have to have strong faith. So if you wake tomorrow morning and it don't happen, you just continue to have faith. Say one day it won't happen. Don't just to you put a time on it and it not happen. You feel like Father God just make it work for you and it not work. Yes, you give in. No, continue. Father God test us to the deepest depth to see the faith we have in Him. Alright? Anyway, speak my mind, people. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. Go over Life is a Mission TV and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Over there you can go over there go see some little clippings and things of the weather and the aftermath and whatsoever. And I'm trying to prepare a video for you today, you know, when I get a more wider scope of what happened across the country in other parishes, you know, where damages are created when the mainstream media go out and bring, you know, more clippings to us. Then I will share it with you people and make you know where I go on probably later in the night or tomorrow morning, because I'm going to just wait until the evening because I know them I go out, they know assess damage and stuff. Yes, so I'm gonna just go on do and as me say, get in touch and tune in to Life is a Mission TV if you want to see them something there. You're not going to see them something over here. Alright? Anyway, people. On the topic of the hurricane. You know, I don't know these people stay so. And when bad blessing follow them, you know, and them can't prosper in a life. And the DEVIL, where them think of people, no matter who it is, whether me and the person they in a tanglings or banglings or wranglings, and you come out here and it turn back upon you, you expect we out here to have sympathy upon you. Imagine a thing like an hurricane. This is mother nature. We know and we see what hurricane can do. A hurricane put on for nobody special. Because me can live right here and have one of the worst roof, worst house. And the house next door me is so much better than my own, even modern more than my own. And it get damaged. And me and your house the same place. And if you look for my house, I Rata Castle I live in. But the outside of me, a big, nice, modern days house. And it get the damage. So it not put on for no special. You can't too comfortable because you feel like your house strong and ready for this. Can't strong and ready for mother nature. And when me I go hear Curly come out and actually have her heart out, and I say, boy, she disappointed. She almost break down saying she disappointed. The way she ignorant within herself for the individual. But at the start of the video, she do involve every Jamaican bloggers that are trouble her. So me including it. She and the old lady including it. Despite she were mainly stressing on one individual. What me say? Despite she were stressing on one individual, when she get in at the video, she declare all Jamaican blogger who a trouble her and a text set upon her. She wish the storm never tear down, blow down them house and left them this and left them that. And when me go sit down and me go listen to a big woman of age, this is no kid, this is no child, where you can say, oh, brain not fully developed. Oh, them you not no sense. Oh, them you not understand what is life. Oh, them you know what they must say. So you have to forgive them, Father, because they don't know what they have done. Yeah, you know, this is a big woman who is either 51 or 63, who is also a grandmother. You understand? And friend is a grandmother, you don't need me to declare say he's a mother. Unless I by adoption, he is a grandmother. And for here you come out here a stress like this. You live in a country miles away from Jamaica. Yes, we understand. You might come on a pressure and can't take it no more. You know, because of how the person will poke you. But I've said this to you in previous video. Same like how this individual get up every day and poke you. You can't get up and do the same thing. There's so much things out there on this person, just like how they feel like they have things on you. So why not use what is out there on them and get at them? Instead of trying to be this EVIL person you want to be. You understand what I say to you? You not feel me, people? I want to know if you not feel what I say. Instead of to be this EVIL person against bloggers on a whole, despite singling out that one individual. You understand? Who is poking you day in, day out to a certain level where probably you cannot take it anymore. Why not just come out and do the same thing? Do what's hurt that person then. If you feel like this person is doing something that is hurting you, there is things out there that we see this person come out here and cry living high water for. So that simply means that is a weak spot for that person. So why not come out here and use that then, since it's already out here in social media, and express how you feel about that person poking you by poking back that person with something that you realize and know that this person is weak to. You don't need me to say it. It is out there. Do your research. You say you're a blogger, you say you're out here for years, you're out here for this, and your experience and your big deal. You don't need me to tell you. Do your research and find out what is this woman's weakness. That this woman come out here and cry and cuss. When she not cry, she a cuss cause you can't see. It nerves. That she a car. That she come out here. Just like how you come out here talking like you out to have a nervous breakdown. Use those things. Don't try to come out here to be EVIL when there's other way out where you can come out to poke that person. And then as you do, you put everybody in it, because at the start of your video, you claim to say, all Jamaican bloggers, you're sorry the storm gone. And you're sorry the storm never do this and do that to them. How would that help you? Would that make you a better person? Would that make when me lose my house or that man or that woman lose them house, you gain a house? If you never gain it in all your 40 years living to America, you wanna gain it now? Or you want people to end up homeless just like you? You need company in the homeless world. Okay, there's a lot of homeless people out there. You don't need no more. Because probably you might be unlucky if there is fresh homeless people come out there. Because they might end up gaining back a house before you, because they have ambition. And it now gonna look good for you. This is say you were homeless for how long, and me just come homeless, and at the same time me end up own back a home before you. Because the difference between me and you, are probably with somebody else and you, they might have ambition to own back a house, not to stay in the homeless position because they see that it is financial free stress. Them not have to think about light bill, them not have to think about water, them not have to think about food, them not have to think about shelter because they are homeless. You understand? So everything left on the system of America. Everything left on the government of the country. Everything left on taxpayers of the country. Because at the end of the day, it's other hard-working people who people like you get up and cuss every day. And you come out here and talk about you live free in this America. Those are the people who are paying your bills. Those are the people who are fitting your bills. The same people them where you claim to say a home care worker, them are clean this, them are do that, and them are this, and them are that. Those are the people who are paying your bills. But it's they come out here, come cuss those people who are so important where your life of living is concerned. But you don't think that way. Speak mind people, as me say, wanna do. Like, share, and subscribe. I get some water, get a bottle of my wine and come back. Well, my people, me not have no white grape wine today. I'm having grape wine today. So I'm having the colored grape wine today. Oh, and before me get into the video, big up the Americans and the Jamaicans. Happy 4th of July on the it's on independent. Big up on yourself. And I also see where I think it's also Canada Day. Bro, big up yourself, bro. And big up all my subscribers and my fellow bloggers who's living also in Canada. Happy Canada Day. I don't know if I get it wrong, but I think I see a Canadian post today that it's Canada Day. So, my bro, big up yourself. Big up all of my fellow bloggers or YouTubers or vloggers. And big up my subscriber them who is not the owner of a channel that is active. You're just a member of YouTube. Big up on yourself. So Canadian and the US people them and the Jamaican, bless up. Alright? Let's get into the video. People, boy, I mean I know this woman every day. Them set of people over that side, boy, I mean I know. Sometimes them come out and like them want better, them want change and thing, but when you listen to them talk, you know, you see, it only make you feel like once your heart block, it can't clear up. Them heart coming like some old wreck ship where the way out of deep water. You know, some old wreckage ship will sink on the sea floor for decades, on top of decades, that it become a home for fish, crabs, you name all the things that live in the sea. And when you look upon it, the amount of barnacles and the amount of rust and crust and, you know, this is all these people come out here and make them art look to me and whole heap of other people. So we know on art can't clean up. Now here, when come out here on a 1 or a 2 video can make it look like say, okay, I don't want peace, or I don't want things to go smooth, I don't want to live good. That 1 or 2 video they can't clean up on art. That 1 or 2 video they can't convince we. You understand? You have done too much over a period of time and continue to do on a daily basis, even when you come out, come pretend like you don't want to see changes. One don't want to mislead with a follow, you know? And then, you know, where they call it now, you know, capture we, and that you don't want to do. Eh? People, you know, listen what I go on.
Understand? Horse is by. So, me not see nothing go on with Jamaica. What go on with Jamaica? Well, my sister is fine. I guess them never get it as all they expected to get it. Jamaica always lucky. I hope the people them who are
Bless. And look. Bless.
who can assist them to help them at the poor people them. And the government do what they can do. They assist them. Yes, me dear. when I looked on social media, you know, some of these Jamaicans, they take the hurricane for a joke. Some of the people, when I see a Jamaica, we have do videos. There is a lot of other countries.
She get in there. She get in there.
Some of them too bumble clot and grateful.
She reach.
Lot of in many different ways. And whenever hurricane come, seems to be taking this thing for a joke. When there's other countries, other small islands in the Caribbean, that places are flattened. Them not have no house, them not have no business.
When you say we take it for a joke, what you mean? I don't understand what you mean. We take it for joke. Or we take something like a hurricane for joke. Some people might just don't, you know, see the danger of it, but it's not like taking it for joke. You have some people just try to just live and they even think about it because there is nothing them can do about it more than just try to protect themselves. Just like I see an interview somewhere down, must be down at Clarendon, where this guy was saying that him house upon the riverbank or riverside, and the reporter was asking him some question, and like she said, so what you do? What you plan to do? What kind of preparation? And I said, boy, I prepare. Like him, I said, boy, I can't do nothing, you know. Ray. So him said, like she said, so what if the river come down or whatsoever? I said, watch out, we are fishermen now, we just jump in it, you know. You know, just a gesture, just to showing you people that, okay, there's nothing I can do. I have to just live with it, or anything I have to do at the time, at the minute, or at the day, I will have to just do it. And Chu, she got said to him, say, boy, so what if you find that your little house wash away? And Chu, the man got joking and said, it's not a little house, you know. Not even joking, because probably it's in reality. But Chu, she said, little house, he must say, no, you know, it's not a little house, it's a big house. You know that people take to the comment section, people call in because the newscast, at some point, they have some calling part. And it's like, they might try to beat down this gentleman of what he's saying. This gentleman just a try to show you, say, boy, the reality, I just a reality, you know, we can't do nothing until it come, you know. More than on the time, on the minute, or on the day, whatever to be done, we do it. So him just a try to make himself comfortable instead of fret about it and think about it. Because the reality is, if it just a got it. Basically, which part him also come from, them always have a problem when it come on to storm. You understand what I say to you? Or any form of bad weather. So it's something that they are aware of. So them just condition them mind. It's not like him a take it for a joke. I mean, I tell you, the people them did go at the man in a comment section and all about, because they just not getting what this young gentleman was trying to say. Well, them didn't want him to go across and worry and fret, and then before the storm come, him blood pressure gone up, him heart string, him blood vessel. Come on, man. Sometimes we have to understand and read through what people are trying to get across. It's not everybody going to get across. Okay, you need to chop down the bush. Some are going to say you need to remove it. While I'm going to come and say you need to chop it down. Some are going to come and say you need to remove it. And so you just have to understand and read through it. But sometimes we take certain little things too personal. What we don't even need to take personal. Without you, blessed without you.
And God is always sparing in many different ways.
God has spared you for so long, so why not to spare good people and bless people?
Over the highlands of Jamaica, where it don't damage as much as other places, where places flat out. Instead of rain, all they do is come and make videos and a mock and a guani. But one day, God will fix it up. Yes, they could have this.
Well, I don't know, you know. Because as I say, the individual she talk about our country is not somebody where I really follow them up. If something pop up in front of me and I feel like it interests me, I will stop and look. But without it pop up in front of me, I now go search. So I don't know if the individual do have, oh yes, I think I see something pop up, but it never interests me, so I not go look. Like the person I say, tree drop down on them house or something like so. So I don't know if this is the video because as I say, me never go, it never interests me. So me never go look. But me see one video pop up in front of me and the title was I look at house, like I said, tree and she put a house. Tree drop down and I look at house, emoji house put up. So I don't know if that is what Curly see, why she come out here in this manner. But whether the woman put up that, if she want mock, come on, if she want call on something upon for herself, the storm season just start. Leave that to she and God and natural nature. You're not supposed to come out here and take this and run out and behave like you're behaving in this video. You understand? You're not supposed to come out here. If she want to mark the system and the system end up mark she down the line, then you come out, come grin your teeth. And you're still not supposed to grin neither. But at the same time, she would be the one who call it down because it never happened and you call it down for yourself. You understand what I say to you? So I don't know. Probably at that she see why she come out here like this. But let's continue. You're curly, man. You're dangerous, bad. Nah, lie.
Don't even talk about the blood clot landlord Erica. Where you post up. You, two bumper clot tree. Should have pitched down your blood clot house. Me nah ask you. And I said it with no bumper clot remorse. Me don't mind if the hurricane is flood out your blood clot house. I wash with them blood clot old furniture we have. And lick down that blood clot. Fear stop being bumper clot ungrateful. And come on social media and chat people. We say a blood clot house from your inner the hurricane start. You did it. The ackee tree, the banana tree, the blood clot is a whole thing that we have should fly away and lick down your blood clot. And as some say, I mean I take back that. No bumper clot apology. You blood clot landlord. Your pussy clot should have flood out.
Mind what you wish for your worst enemy. Mind what. You remember a couple months ago when you come out here same way and you're wishing a lot of bad things for people and you realize what take you back to back? Eh? Then suppose what take you back to back did stress you out so much, and suppose what did take you back to back was anything major, how you don't manage? Because you come out here, come wish some dreadful things against people, me included. You understand? Me included, you were all requesting. What members only there? What my man friend them there at Jamaica? I don't know that boy there. I don't know him. You can't look for that boy there and give him to kick and box and if you can't, you don't know what I talk about. So all me it included. And not just me, a lot more. And all kind of things take you after that. Eviction, your son, number amount of things, scandalous business, you and pastor and $1,000. You and your friend Arthur, winter, summer. You name it. Everything just a ride you back to back. 5 hours in the race. And you represent the 5 hours. So when you look on the paper, we say 5, number 5 hours in the race. But when you look on the gate, goes up bang, and you're alone. Everybody just depend. So it's just 1 horse representing 5, but 5 jacket just a ride you. You understand? So be careful what you wish people. Me no say no. As me talk every day, and if a man come at me for my tree, I feel like say me I gotta stand up on a 1 year tree. I mean I give you a second chance to come for my tree. Cause for you make a fight and you miss, you're going to come back. Because in the back of your head, me know I come look for you, which is true. You understand? I'm going to send come look for you. And if you try to stop me food, so me and my picnic and my bills can't pay. You know it go. But away from that, in this little social media, something and drama, when no phone that do this content, and because you don't want the money, and we do anything, forget it. Only no matter what. If you have to tear down on your own family, if you have to expose your closest friend, if you look on the views at the end of the day and say, wow, the only thing me I offer now hard my people review if I even 50% of them watch the ads. Yes man, that video you're supposed to can give me X, Y, Z and soul. You understand? That's all I don't think about. And when I see someone come out here and on go on with yourself, it is evidence, it is clear. It's just all about what you can gain, no matter what the consequence, no matter if you don't even sell on a soul. All of us out here with a monetized channel, see where we can gain from our platform, yes. And all of we want to gain. As me say, some of we are only source of income. Some of we like myself, wouldn't mind it be my only source of income. After I reach certain age in night, where I can just relax and just do video and I earn from it. Somehow we go to the lowest depth, as me say, where we bring down one family and friend just to say we are create content to make a dollar. It's not supposed to be so. You come out here and you do what you have to do and you keep it at a certain level. You understand? Me come out here and I say something and you feel like say you want to take it on content. Fine. I have no problem with it. Because if you come out here and you do something or say something and I feel like I want to take it on content, fine, me I go do it. But me keep it at a certain level. Anytime you see me come out here and that is very rare. You can testify for that. Very rare. Me get in a way when me come out here. Is when me see certain of them come out here and go below the belt. Especially with the woman at 99. Me have to come out and represent. You understand? And show them say me can be the dog and the drunk crow. And me still do it in a manner where it can be respectful. Because me have to think about my subscribers them. My biggest fan base. The age is between what? 60 and 64. My biggest fan base. Age is between 60 and 64, right? Because then the next one it step up to 65, but it not tell you which part it stop. You understand? Yes, I have younger subscribers, but me I tell you the numbers. 34% of my subscribers is between the age of 60 and 64. 34%, and that is the highest number. The rest 66%, the next 66% spread across the board. So I have to be respectful. You understand? Them don't know the little drama that come in at times, and the little parables and the little rare. Yes. Even Christian talk about sex. Even Christian will them little corner talk, oh Lord. When Ozzy told me last night, he said, man, I'm wiggle. You think me a worm? Yeah. But them talk it in them own way. Them not that bold and brawling with it. And that's how me will keep it. But someone will come out here and go to the lowest depth just to earn the dollar. Why?
And that will teach you a lesson. To let people bumper clock business alone. And go get a
I'm a gunshot people. And the car them with them modified to make it sound so, like the bike them.
And leave people business alone. Every fucking thing you come on social media, come put yourself in. Like you are a woman of any bumper clock importance.
Look who's talking.
You're not bumper clock body.
Look who is talking. No, at the start you said the whole of the Jamaican bloggers them were trouble you. It's just right. It's just that you single out she. So basically probably if you only have a chance, if you have a chance to do whole with Jamaican bloggers, Hurricane will take you away. If you did have that say, you wouldn't mind. But if you have a choice to choose one, then no, she would be the one that you want to. But when me I say, at one part of the video, even if you say it already, wait, no, you don't say it, I'm going to wait till you say it.
My statement, come bomb clock beat me. You understand? Put on you. Always want to come on social media and put me down. You see me? A certain things, this is on social media, I don't comment about it yet. I just wait.
People, right here, so. She says she see a whole heap of things that she not comment about yet, but she just a wait. She can't wait. She just a wait. I don't know what she a wait pan. But she says she a wait. I don't know if I prove she a wait pan or she a wait for have the evidence in her. And I don't know. But when I listen, I don't know where she have, because she not talk. So you know, say she have, we know. Sitting down and waiting. Ha ha.
Me just wait. You see a mass you open a blood clot, but me just wait. Me just wait. Me not ready yet. Bomb clot. Where the hell? Yeah. Me just wait. You see me just keep my mouth silent. Me just bomb clot wait because anything that I said in my rascal mouth, happy come true.
Prophet, what you mean?
Happy come true. Me just sit down. And
You're
a blood
prophet,
clot
You're
relax.
God sent.
I wait. Me not ready for talk. Me not ready yet. Me store blood clot Facebook. I don't ready yet.
Wow.
Silent river run blood clot deep. Boy.
May I make sure I make one iron bench, but a one seat so nobody can cut side of me. And any cribbits and corner, if me come a class and class full up, my seat can hold anywhere a little space there. Cause me nah make it too big, cause me want that at the front of the line. Me no want the round at the back of the line. Cause me no want nothing to miss me that the day there. And anywhere me there. And that the day they come. And anyone on the way so now me real supporters. Don't inform me and make me know say exam time. You don't know it go. You don't know it go. Alright, so you try remember now, Any day you realize this a class you keep what she talk about. You make sure you ring my phone half the hook. You message my phone half the crook. To let me know that it is exam time. Can remember the date now announce, So me can't sit down and say yes or next week or this week. So anytime no buck up on that the exam there. Make sure say me they in a class. Alright? But master, you're not in the house every day you talk about house. So what the difference? But the house you talk about a people house. So you know what? You want a house to talk about it? You just want to talk about people house every day? How we depend on America? Tell me now, how we depend on America? So choose somebody have a YouTube page where I get paid from America, we depend on America. TikTok is owned by the Chinese, don't it? Oh. Who want to take over TikTok? Who want to take over TikTok? Come on, talk to me now. Who want to take over TikTok? Let me read more into it. Knowledge is key. So, who have knowledge must understand when I try to get that. So, me not go no further. You understand? Yeah, me not go no further. Marcia, people have to work. Who is people? Talk about yourself. Talk about yourself, Marcia. Who is people? You're not people, you're a person. But I could say, normally that's how we speak. Marcia, before you get this little living work because you were forced to take this living work because of you don't have any financial resources to pay rent on a monthly basis. You take this living job because there was a privilege for you to live in and don't pay no form of bills. Before this, how much years now you not work, Marcia? Marcia, how much years now you not work? So all people that live off of you will work your ass off. How long now you stop work? You will live off of the people in America. You will live off of the system in America. That the people who are working is paying them hard-earned tax dollars to keep the system going. You are put it under pressure. When you are still in the age to contribute to the system, you choose not to. All because you study, you Google, you question yourself, you question this to find out all the free apps, all the places and the government agencies that give away free things. Who if you tell if you not search your government agency will give you a free nail do and ear do? Probably because someone tell you upon Google. Where in America they give away free nail do? Google. Where in America they give away free ear do? Because see how much time you try to ask Google that? And now get no response. Google that give you something else because Google don't understand what you say. Because Google that say boy free ear do. Free nails do. How is this someone you talk about? But from it name free, you're ready for it. You're ready to do all the investigation and all the questioning and try to find out how you go about doing it. And then you come out here and you brag and you boast how America provide all these things for you free. No, they don't provide it for you free. It has been paid for by hard-working taxpayers. Wish you put yourself in early retirement when you could be doing more to contribute to the system. That people who is worse off than you and who also reach the right age of retirement and need the assistance from the system could be getting the assistance from the system. People like you are straying the system. Look upon it. You claim to say you're getting too big and you need to lose weight. And it has been rumors, I don't know, allegedly, that most of these big stars who are getting big, this type of medication that you talk about that you take because of your removing your gallbladder and it make you get fat. You go and tell a lie just to achieve this injection because you cannot pay for it, you know. Because you said expensive. How expensive it is, I don't know. And you say you cannot get it so easy. So you go and think out of the box. How can you get this and tell a lie to achieve it? And I get to understand that because of you people find out that this is something that can keep your weight at a level. You know, abuse the system. That the supply of that medication is on a low. People like you cause that. What am I saying? People like you cause that. Because if the movie stars and the entertainers are taking it, they're taking their cash to buy it. So it simply means the government can replace. But when people like you who put strain on the system and taxpayers' pocket, what you expect? It is going to go at a low. And remember now, most of these places in every country you can think of, there is budget that run for each agency of the state. If there is an emergency and they have to pull resources from elsewhere, that's different. But every agency of the state, there's a budget. If it's the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Local Governance, the Ministry of that, the Ministry of Education, There is an allocation where they get a budget. As I said, if there is a disaster or any form of emergency where that agency need to get some more funds to pull, well, them have reserve fund for it, but there is a budget. And when people like Uno put strain upon the system for nothing at all, because Uno eat like swine, Uno eat like hog down a river town, just go and them just see the whole heap of, like all this time, you know, the whole heap of spoiled mango and breadfruit come, them just dive in it and full them belly to them belly bust. Them no know say boy them can't eat and left, or where them no want them force it. And when them put on this whole heap of fat, them want taxpayers to reduce that by them straining the system with taxpayers. A support by paying them tax. You understand? While you retire from a tender age, where you have a much more years service in you, because you realize that you can live off of taxpayers' money and come and boast about freeness in America.
The bumper clot from you. The hurricane should have fixed your pussy clots. You old dirty blood clot bitch. I go on
Why
like
the
you
ants they
the
must
body.
stop blow off 5 tree from?
Go buy you. Eh? Go buy you a mommy. Go ahead. Go ahead. I don't like when a lady have the virgin here. Eh? Go buy you. Go buy you. And I'm one like say I'm a top notch. Eh? Well, go buy you. Go to criticize people. Huh? Go find yourself a fucking life.
Wow!
Huh?
You don't know make a link up then, man. You and I make a link up. Join hands and heart together and go find it, because you need a life too. You need a life too. Because you don't have a life. For someone who is living in America for so long, you don't have one. So that make two of you, if so be the case. So you need to go get one too, man. From what you be at this, me see me in a phone, Patakos Keckle. From what you know? Every day me see Pat come out here cuss Keckle. How happen? Uno soon yourself in the same position. Or what uno do, uno blind to it. Or what uno say, uno deaf to it. Which one? Because Pat can't come out here cuss Keckle. Uno must blind or deaf to what uno say and what uno see. No, sir.
Me say, I am so blood clot upset that the hurricane them a bumbo clot, pussy clot blow the house. May I tell you something? Me vex this blood clot morning that you never get a whole heap of damage. I vex this blood clot morning. Me you want God teach you a bumbo clot lesson.
So Chuma teach you one. You want him teach somebody else. Yes, Father God. A good thing, you know, like man, you know. Cause if you was ever like man and easy for program. If Father God it ever easy for program like a computer, what would be the world where we living in? What would that be the world where we living in? Bang bang bidi what would be the world where we living in? If God was like man, what kind of world would we living in? If God was like man, what kind of world would we be living in? Because people like you that fool him. It's a good thing him sit high and look slow. And he knows everything. And he don't have to think about it slow. He knows everything. Because he sit high and he looks slow.
Me want God teach you, me not take you back. If there was one blood clot enemy, me up on bumbo clot Facebook this morning. Let me hear say a bumbo clot house flood out and damage. Was you and the number blood clot one. Me disappointed.
Hold on before she says disappointed in a way. This is the part where I did want to elaborate upon a little bit. She said if there is one person in a Facebook, why did you want to storm this, that, Tara, or not? But me I wonder if true the other two person don't live in Jamaica. Why she say that? Because at the start of the video she said, you Jamaican bloggers, then she start single out the woman here individually. And then the live twist upon this woman individually. Why she put she at number one where the Jamaican bloggers is concerned. Because on the other note, when me I try to figure out, me remember at one point over the fence, you know who she called over the fence, the doctor? Not the female doctor, the other one, the one I love, yes. Say, oh, if I don't hate nobody else, I hate you. You will mash up my business, you this, your business, you put over in my business, this. And at another point, when the 60 man of pressure, she switch it around. And she said she want the worst here at my team because him are the worst. And him for should have this and so oh no, it reverse to this woman. So basically, anybody have her under pressure and put her upon the fireside and fire burn her, she want them. Them are the first one should have always want to see go down. I must so, you know. So when 360 a pressure, 360 she want to go down. Him are the number one. You are the only one. And when the doctor love have the pressure, him are the first one. She hate him. She this, she Tara. And now the woman down so. And she gone at the number one position. Anyway, she disappointed in burial. She disappointed in a burial. Listen why she disappointed. A massacre disappointed in a burial. But a him send burial. If that the one that could have reached her, if that the one that could have reached her, a Portland like one of the Russian missile. Me sorry for the individual. Me say me if that could have come through the phone and reached down a Portland. Me sorry for the individual. That one that sound powerful. Like when Kim Jong-un I test him in missile them. The Russian them I test him missile. That one that powerful. Sound powerful. When they come from down at the root of the belly.
That's one thing. I would have feel good for you to say a bomb pussy blood clot house blood out. Yes, I said so.
I mean not to keep up.
See a bomb clot blood clot.
I mean not to keep up.
The blood clot lad out should have pussy bomb blood clot blood out. And then see how we have the pussy clot rock.
Boy, people, I don't know if YouTube are gonna look at that one, yeah. But YouTube so funny sometimes because why me I play them, you know? I've seen where some of these get to these type of curse word get to in some video and them let it go. But knowing them, sometimes you have to wonder. But me not think me have a problem with it still. Because me want to hear the anger in her voice. Because she want natural nature to destroy someone's property. Someone who never ever physically harass her. Just verbally. And she has done the same thing. She has even sent not fresh. Oh, not fresh at 99. That with the red dragon. All who know be it from morning run go well. But none of that me talk about. Me talk about she sent you understand? And me with in a back and touch in her face. Yeah. Come on, Portland, yeah, and touch in your face, right there, yeah, me, Yes. So, are the same for the same. And this is all you have to do. Come out back on your platform. She have a platform, you have a platform. She have a mouth, you have a mouth. You have a voice, she have a voice. She says she know things about you, you say you know things about she. She says she don't know about you, she make up things and she talk the things about you. You come out here do the same thing. You talk the things about you, make up things about her. Simple. Simple. You know, if you wish. You know, many men wish death upon me. Oh no, that 50 Cent did that song there? Many men. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So me say, happy 4th of Bomber Clan July. To the good people them. So me say, me disappointed. Bomber Clan disappointed this morning.
That make you uncomfortable for your independent day.
So me say,
Oh, I know them.
Bomber Blood Clan.
Father God disappoint you. You know what disappoint Father God.
So me say,
You know what disappoint the Almighty. But you come out here about ball boy, him disappoint you. You think you see nothing yet? You wait. Don't clean up your heart and forward here, and you see where going to happen. Not to me, no, but to him.
who don't like it, come cuss me. Bitch, come cuss me.
You know, cuss him, just show you to the world.
Bitch, come cuss me. Come show picture and come show foot and tell me say me work less and make this.
Me not show you. Me not cuss you, me just show you to the world, brother.
Black sheep, have you any wolf? Yes, sir, yes, sir. Ugly blood clot monkey.
I just like to show people like you to the world, you know, to make people understand that we still have these type of people in the world who wish bad for people for no reason, you know, or for doing the same thing that they have done to others. Not if you even don't even do it to the individual that is doing it to you, you have done it to so many others. But at the same time, when someone else come back and do it to you, you alone have a run through you. You alone have skin, pretty skin. Yeah, look for my breast them, yeah? You alone have them something there. You understand? You alone have feelings. You alone are sensitive. You understand? You know, just hold it, man. And same like how you come out for me and do me, you come back, come do them. Since you never trouble them and them are trouble you, come out upon them. So me and E and she and B over there, so you have strength for. So that man they know we come out for you where you never even did see her look upon another woman there. You can't go back for them. Oh, you want, hey. You start wishing you talk about you're disappointed in a God. God disappointed in you more than you're disappointed in him. Because first thing God disappointed in you. Him give you a break at a tender age, you're going to make life a foreign. So you can open other ways, different ways and more ways to other people. And you go to go farm fool of yourself and turn a cruff. You understand what I say to you? So that's the first thing Father got disappointed in your with. Because him could have given many other people that opportunity and that blight in your age group at that time. And him choose you. As a vessel, you understand, because you say, at the time too, you did a fool him and him sit low, but him there try to work with you. Because you said them time there, you're a child of God and you grow up in the church and you listen to people, your family, right. So him try to use you as the vessel. And in a calm sea, you turn over the vessel. And not even rough seas where him can say, alright, see the rough and you couldn't navigate the vessel. Calm sea him give for traveling, you know, and you turn over the vessel. And from the vessel turn over, that's the end of it. You know what people could have achieved from where you get the opportunity. Probably for somebody else, it go probably have 5, 6, 7, 8 of them family them take up already. Probably them would have house down here, them would have business down here where even family member could have live off of. Whether them want to own it themselves or them give them a start and say, go on, me what you want to do with it, me give you a start. So the opportunity where you get a whole heap of people could have get that in a year time and achieve. We can't even say achieve more than what you achieve, because you achieve nothing but American citizenship. That's all you achieve. Nothing else. People, I know come out here customer say, you know, or feed a person there, you know. But as you don't know me, when you come out here come talk crap, if I even against my enemy, you talk crap, me I come out here. Because remember, you fall in the same category as the same person where you cuss. So me I come out here come show you up. You understand? And if you say something good, or say something where I choose towards the person, me I come out here, me I go tell you, say, oh yeah, that part they are true. And nothing wrong with that part the way she say, or what him say. So I come out here and defend nobody out here, I beg no friend for nobody who no look funny that way there. At least you don't know me like that. But probably for the new subscribers and the new people them over here. When me come out here, if two I only hear me come out here, me just come out here for dissect and split the justice anyway it falls. You understand? So before even that video done and she come out and she say something and if I give her a prop seed, me I go give her a prop seed. But me not come out here on no side at all. You understand? Me like the on my back, because my back are the strongest part of me. Because on my back help bring forth the youth. You understand? All you got to do is strengthen the root. So you can bring forth the youth. So my back are my strongest part. So me like the on my back. Me not like the on my side. So me not like nothing in the side. Me like to fly solo, not even. Me never want to fly with autopilot, solo. So anything happen, and if I my mistake, me not nobody to blame. Solo, no autopilot around here.
Same fucking thing we have come cuss me at them. Same fucking thing. Nothing new. Nothing new. You can't cuss me at them. Because you don't know one blood clot about me. That is it. Not a rash clot. Put some tongues on people. That's what I let me say. Big up to the people in Jamaica. I hope we'll never get that damage. This morning.
You done so you have to see already. Every Jamaican I look upon you different. We are listening to you so. Whether upon my channel or your channel. But listen how she lie. Listen how she lie.
I never call my insurance company to go organize to give me rent a car. Can I pay for that in my insurance?
Listen.
So I have to go call them and make them set it up. I don't want it to take long. How long it take to get me one vehicle? I don't know how it go. If something have to happen to the car first before they give you it. I don't even know. Somebody can call because I think say probably if me have an accident first. Or if the car broke down or something before them pay for your rent a vehicle. So I'm not even better call them to tell you the truth.
And I want out here come out here about you don't want to come teach people. How can you pay for something simple like that and you don't know how the procedure go, but you pay for it? If you get a package deal and the package deal is about, okay, I will chop out your lawn for you and I will paint your wall. First thing I want to know, how often will you be chopping out my lawn? How often will you be painting my wall? Is it that it's only when Christmas time? Is it that it's only when holiday time you're going to chop out the bush them? Or once the bush grow up you're going to chop it out? Me have to know, because I want to know. So when the time comes, I know how to approach you. And I know when to approach you because yes, the bush grow up. You pay for your insurance package. That includes rental cars. Basically, so if your car broke down, them present you with a rental car. Because your package include that. And you pay for that. And you don't question, okay, how will the rental car come in play? Is it that I have to meet into my vehicle have to meet into an accident that it cannot drive for me to get a rental car? What's the procedure? If my vehicle broke down, I have to go to the mechanic or the body shop. Does the procedure allow me to get a rental car? Simple. And you wait till you sit down for the answer. So now that you want to carry your car, go fix the bumper. You're aware that okay, you qualify to get a rental car. Because once it can be proven to your car, basically, whether you look up in somebody or not, you look up in your own wall is an accident. It classifies as an accident. You understand? So basically, your vehicle got fixed because it's out of service. Yes, once your vehicle out of service, you get a rental car. From it can be proven that your vehicle is out of service, you get a rental car. That's what the package deal give to you. You just pay for your package without knowing what the requirement of you getting that vehicle. If you have to say get a rental car, you just come out here feel like you want to look big. You understand? All we hear you talk about insurance and brag about every details of your insurance. This is the first time we ever going to hear you talk about your package allows you to get a rent-a-car, but you just don't know how you get the rent-a-car. If the vehicle after meeting to an accident or what, where, you should have find out that from the rent-a-car company. But because you're lied, you won't know that, because all of that would have told to you when paying for that package. Okay, you're paying for A package, B package, C package. This is what A package contain, this is what B package contain. Okay, the A package contain, you know, you also paid for a rent-a-car in case of any time that your vehicle is down. And when we said your vehicle is down, it have to meet into an accident. Not you just want to park it and get a rent-a-car. Your vehicle have to be down by hitting another vehicle or run up into some accident. Accident to accident. You have to hit another vehicle and be down. Not for you just want to go spray your vehicle. Not for you just want to go change 4 tires. It have to meet in a something named accident. That's what we covered. Accident. Then you don't know. But because a liar tell, you don't know nothing.
So me name better. So I never better call him.
You're a liar.
This blood clot morning, with a police. I'm still a child of God, but Father God, me the police.
Well, go take it up with God now, make him deal with you, man.
Blow down that house. Lift up something. Mash it up and fling where I carry. See you want to come flood out that pussy clot. Make sure swim across the road.
Mermaid. Or janga fish. But you swim like a janga fish or a perch. But you sweet me. Where you say make you swim like a janga fish or one shrimp or a perch or a mullet. Anyway, speak of wild people, pick up on yourself, you know. Thanks for watching. May I tell you, the 2 videos for that channel, yeah. The last 2 videos, I never feel like how I feel that one, yeah. Not even the one I post this morning, I don't feel so. Yes, that one that kind of pump me up back. Because I kind of never have the effort in putting out the video on that channel, yeah, during this time. As you can see, I put more effort in doing the videos them on the Life is a Mission channel during this time, you know. Because, as I said, there's a time when I place everything. You understand? Despite, no matter which part you work, if the work have to go on, it have to go on. Just as if you have a family member and them deceased, you can't just sit down and say you not got the people them work. Even if you have your own business, you can't sit down and say you lack up business. Because what after, when you have to face the reality of putting down that deceased person, you have to continue with your life. Isn't that so? Simple. And sometimes people see you continue your life. Lord God, watch it. Can know say man never live good enough. Watch it. Can know say him and him never live good enough. All that determines me and my family never live good, and my good friend never live good. That can't determine it. Because what? Me I continue with my life. That is it. My life have to continue. You understand? But that no mean say me never like or me glad to see what happen or whatsoever. Which one on a family member? Which one on a close friend? When them are put away, wanna stay there with them. No matter who tell the circumstances of the last, so you have to come out of this, so you have to go and the burying ground people, them, so you have to go home. Which one on have force and stay with them? No. Kawa, your life have to go on. You will get over it someday. Yes, memories will come back at some point. But when the memory come back, you're going to get over it same way. Simple as that. Anyway, bless upon yourself, speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. If you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission channel, go over there and subscribe. Please, I am asking you. And there's a lot of you over here who still don't subscribe. I am not just talking to people who over here just recently. I am talking because most of the recent people them tune in over there. Because it's obvious. You understand? And most of you who's over here from day one still not yet subscribe over there. Go over there and support the channel, man. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Today is the start of, no, today's what? Thursday. The start of the new week start yesterday, right? Life with Gabby and Chevy Tamika Douglas TV, 2 different channels. They are in my comment section pin. Just hit the word subscribe when you hit the blue writing and subscribe. I'm asking you for 10 subscription a week for them, just to help them to reach that 1,000. Help me to help them reach that 1,000. You understand? Please and thanks. They want to do YouTube? Yes. Assist them in getting them channel monetized. It now costs you no $1. Please and thanks. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV.